horse of fuel endurance, giving them a 700-mile plus range. The Redline airplanes have a 200 horsepower engine and spin parts with advanced construction composite propellers. Beautiful simultaneous hammerheads out there, and the exits to left and right. Our lead pilot today is Ken Rieder. He's born and currently lives in the Cincinnati area. He's been flying for 32 years with more than 10,000 flying hours. He's a former corporate and airline pilot, multi-engine flight instructor in land and seaplanes, and an aerobatic instructor. Ken is an avid aircraft builder and has completed 4 Vans RV-8 custom modified aircraft. Ken owns a property management company and operates a construction business in the greater Cincinnati area. At a very young age, Ken was inspired to pursue aviation by United States Navy Blue Angels when he saw them perform at Cincinnati's Lincoln Airport when they were flying the F-4 Phantom many years ago. As you watch out here off the Airshow left, you can see coming back in fast from our left end zone, coming in right now for the opposing pass right here. Opposing speeds of over 400 miles an hour as they approach at Airshow Center for the single cross. Right on up into the vertical, coming right on across the top. There's the double cross. And now as we watch him come right back down across the bottom here, ladies and gentlemen, it's the triple cross. Opposing loops of the Redline team. Our wingman today is Austin Rieder. Austin is Ken's son. He's been flying for 13 years. He's born and currently lives in the Cincinnati area. Austin works full-time as a production manager for KCR Construction. Austin, you can see him set up out here in what we call the line abreast. Now he's set up, right on up and around. Across the top, tilts her head back at the canopy. Wingman, of course, just has his head turned 90 degrees. Watches his lead right there, looking right down the wingtip of his airplane, down the wingtip of the leader. Right on around in a beautiful line abreast loop out there by the Redline team, Ken and Austin Rieder. Now as they hunt for the sky, going straight up out there, straight up, straight up, straight up, straight up. Right about now, the boss says, okay, it's time to kick them. Left rudder pedal over, ready to run right now. They come right back on around out there in a beautiful hammerhead turn. Now as they exit out here off Airshow left, you can see they're repositioning out here with a 90-degree turn on the way down. Rolling to the inverted. You got the lead is inverted, trails behind him upright. Now we reverse, trails inverted, leads line upright. Now let's watch them both half roll again. And a full deflection all the way back on around. Leads inverted, and now he rolls back to the upright. Again, beautiful in trail rolling sequence out there by the Redline team. Let's give a great big hand to Ken and Austin Rieder. Great job, guys. Now as we watch those airplanes come back down on a 45-degree down line. East forward on the stick to break that loop, and now extend out here off of Airshow right. About 190 miles an hour. We can watch it go into vertical out here in trail. Get on up and around again. Getting a great view at all of our great Airshow fans that are lead. Number 2, of course, he just got his eyes plastered on the lead aircraft. You can see he's got a little turbulence right there from his lead aircraft. Means he was right in trail. Now as we watch them go into that left end zone, punching up out there. You can see Austin's down pulled out onto the right wing side. Straight up out there once again. Execute a hammerhead turn. The timed hammerheads right out through it. Now you can see Ken's getting a nice big head smash. Get a nice big head shot on him right there, down the line. Rolls full deflection, shows a nice crisp roll rate of the RV-8. 200 horsepower on the nose as we watch him stand right down our show line here. Show line in the mirror image pass out here, folks. That is tight formation. Right on down the show line in the mirror image pass. And right with the Air Force Heritage Flight Program. So a lot of great things you're seeing right here at the Field of Flight. As you watch right now, it's a very difficult formation barrel roll right on around out there off of Airshow Center.
Sometimes I get a good feeling
off that right end zone. Nice wing over turnaround. See to make a formation change right there. Now come back in. Right through, and that left wing strong formation out here off Airshow Center. Diving in right now, you can see him make a half to 1/4 of a 4-leaf over as they go around out here off Airshow Center. And here we go. The crossover break, ladies and gentlemen. They are the Redline team. Sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah. Now as they set up out here, each aircraft line. Oh yeah, beautiful flying. The Redline Aerobatic team, Ken Rieder Austin Rieder. Now as we watch it go across the top right now, inverted, making their wind corrections while upside down, tilt their head back in those canopies, flying those airplanes right back out around to quickly rejoin. Lead goes into a loop. Left wing went into a half cube and 8, and now they're quickly rejoined out here. Beautiful display. They are the Redline Aerobatic. Standing them up on the left wing tip. In the lead, that's Ken Rieder on his right wing. That's Austin. Great job, guys. Beautiful photo pass opportunity right there by the Redline team.